This is the second part of the kitchen update. We decided that our 27-year-old stainless steel sink wasn't going to look good in new countertops, so decided to try a sink from Costco. Now, there's a counter material that we picked out. It's a Solaris granite, and it's from Brazil. We did order it through Home Depot. And while we were there, we looked at sinks, but all their sinks were just like 18 gauge stainless steel, and they were really quite expensive. So I came home and I started searching around online, and I went on Costco and I found this SS002 sink from Hahn on Costco. And it was priced at a lot lower price point than all the ones at Home Depot that were an 18 gauge sink. And this one's actually 25% thicker material, so I decided to try it. I ordered it online, and exactly 3 days later it appeared at my door. It was packed. As you can see, it was really packed well. It was shipped out FedEx. It came in a nice heavy box and a lot of foam protectors on it, as you can see. And then it was actually wrapped in a black fabric bag there to help protect it also. And then it actually had another poly bag around it to protect it even more. This is just the first look at it, and it's you can see there's still some foam in there. I'm gonna leave them in for now because the reason you have to get the sink is because it has to go out to the granite fabricator. They won't come and do a template until you have everything that goes on the countertop. So that's why I had to get this sink quick. And the sink actually came with a lot of little extras that most normally don't. It had two really nice little chrome wire frameworks here with big rubber feet and protectors on it that go in the bottom of each side of it to help protect it from dings and whatnot, I guess. And then it came with another, it looked like a pillowcase they had made up with the other hardware in it, and I guess that was to keep it from banging anything. And there were two strainers that come with it, and then another box, and then there was just one more small box in there. Now the strainers are really nice. I'm kind of impressed. They're actually made out of plastic, but they're lined with stainless steel, and the one of them has a really nice deep basket, like a strainer basket to pull out. That'll be real handy in the kitchen. And the other one's just kind of a standard strainer, but it's a real high quality finish. Again, it's plastic lined with stainless, but I guess that's the way everything is nowadays. But they do match the sink perfectly. Then there was a little box of hardware, and this seems to be all the hardware that the fabricator will need to do the undermount in granite countertops. Basically it's just some brackets and some bolts and inserts for the granite, I guess. So they go out with the sink. And then there was one more box that came packed with it, and it had two gloves that were for cleaning stainless, I guess. Just like a nice fabric glove, and then they had some sink cleaner if you need it, and a real nice microfiber cloth to go along with it. Now, just looking at it, everything really was seemed to be a nice, high quality. The fabrication was nice. It's real thick stainless steel. That's 1/16 of an inch thick, and you can see it's just got a wonderful, I think they polish these by hand or something like that, but just got a wonderful finish in it. There's absolutely no flaws or anything to it. It looks like a really well made, nice sink. We will find out in the long run once it's installed and we use it for a couple of years, but I think we made the right decision here and just buying the sink from Costco, the way it came with all these extra accessories and just the quality of it. So now we're just waiting for the fabricator to come out and make the templates. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.